Yeah, good evening, guys. Am I audible?
Sir,
Yes,
Yeah,
good
right.
evening, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah, only 70 people are came.
Sir.
Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay. After 5 minutes, we will start the session.
Sir.
Okay. Is my screen visible, guys? Is my screen visible clearly? Yeah, yes. Yeah, okay, done. Thanks for the confirmation. Okay, let's wait 3 more minutes. In live stream also there is only 10-20 people. Strength is decreased, so let's wait for 5 minutes. Or let's wait for just 3 minutes. Exactly by 8:20, I will start the class. Yes, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can anyone tell me what is our last topic?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell me what is our last topic?
Inheritance, sir.
Inheritance.
Okay, inheritance. What is inheritance, guys? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what is inheritance?
Acquiring the properties
Acquiring
from
the properties
subclass
of
to
one class.
superclass.
Only one. Remaining people go on mute. Just one person. Okay, I will pick one. Okay. I will pick one. Varma, are you there? KSPB Varma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the inheritance? Just brief.
It is
What you have
something
understood.
that
That's it.
acquiring properties.
Yeah.
Sir, it is something that acquiring properties from one class to another class.
Yeah. Good. Thank you. Thanks for the response. I will ask one more person. For each person, one question. Just that's it. Okay. If you don't know, sir, don't know. Tell like that only. Don't leave the class. Okay. If you leave, that's your problem, not my problem. Okay. Jyoti, are you there? I'm Jyoti. If you respond, we can able to fast up the classes, guys. Yeah. Jyoti is not there. Okay. Sirisha,
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me? For he told that acquiring properties from one class to another class.
Yes, sir.
He explained one definition. What we have called that classes. We have specific names, right? For every class.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me what is that class names? What we have called from we are acquiring properties from one class. For that class, we have given one name, specific name, from which we are getting properties. This class A, I am getting properties from class A to class B. This to this I am getting. I am asking what this class is called.
Super class, sir.
Class.
Yeah, super class.
Per class.
Yeah, super class and parent class. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me randomly? You guys only. Tell me what this class is called. To which we are getting properties.
Subclass, sir.
Class
of
Child
child
class.
subclass or child class.
Yes.
Subclass or
Child class.
child class. I think everyone clear up to this, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear, right?
Yes, sir.
No doubts in this.
Yes, sir.
Can you assume no doubts?
No.
Today we will discuss about types of inheritance. Okay. Types of today onwards we will move fastly, guys, because we are in lag, very much lag. If you respond, I will move fastly. Okay. But I won't skip any topic. But I need your response, guys. Okay. Types of inheritance. Okay. Can anyone tell me how many types are there?
5 types, sir.
5
Right.
types.
Tell me one by one. Only one person.
Single level
Single
inheritance, multi-level
One
inheritance,
person. Single level. Second one multi-level.
multi-level, multiple,
Multiple. Next
hybrid,
Hierarchical.
hybrid. Okay.
and
Hierarchy.
Next
Hierarchical.
Single level inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for the response. These are all the types, guys. Okay. Inheritance. We have 5 types. One is single level inheritance. Single or we can say it simple inheritance. Okay. We can say it simple inheritance. I will explain you clearly what is simple inheritance also. See here. I will draw a diagram. Assume that this is one class. This is my parent class. Okay. I am getting properties from this class to my subclass. This is my B class. This is superclass. This is subclass. Whenever I am acquiring properties from one class to another class, just there are only 2 classes, one superclass and one subclass. This we call it as simple inheritance. Okay, simple or single inheritance. Why, sir? Why this is only called as single inheritance? Means here I am acquiring only one properties. Single. I am acquiring single properties, right? I am acquiring properties to this class from this class. That's it. Other than that, I am not performing any other options, right? Any other inheritance. Am I correct? Here I am performing only one level, one time. We can say it as one time. Am I correct? Any doubt in this? If you are clear,
No,
means
sir.
I will go with Eclipse. No, right? I will just show one example in Eclipse. After that, I will move for another one. Let's open this. I'll explain one more time. One more one. Multi-level. Okay. Single level is complete, right? If you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and ask, guys. I have given permission to unmute yourself, so you can unmute and you can ask. I think there is no doubts.
No, sir.
Can I assume that no doubts? Yeah. Now see here, multi-level inheritance. Okay, this topic, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level means one class, second class, and third class. Okay, like this. Otherwise, let me delete this. Let me write. See here, guys. Observe carefully. First class. Okay, class one. I said this symbol up arrow is for inheritance, right? Yesterday I remembered. Understood, guys? For showing practically inheritance, we use this up arrow symbol. Yesterday I have explained it. Did you remember or not, guys? Whenever there is a up arrow symbol means, it means that there is a inheritance. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is single, right? This is single or simple because we are performing only one action, one inheritance here. Whenever I perform one more inheritance here, third class. From third class to one more again, fourth class. This is called multi level inheritance. Okay? Yeah, multi-level inheritance. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is multi-level, guys. There is nothing big logics in this to understand. Just understand this simple diagrams. By this only you can say one single point. For every level, every type, you need to say one point whenever interview asks. Assume that you are in an interview. He asked about, explain me about types of inheritance. You need to tell all 5 types. After that, tell single level inheritance means acquiring properties from one class to another class. Just one single time. Multi-level means you can draw this diagram. So acquiring properties from superclass to subclass, from that subclass to one more subclass, like that. Okay. Everyone understood this, guys? Multi-level. Can I ask questions? Can I ask questions?
Yes, sir.
Second class. For class number 2. For class 2, which is superclass? Which class is superclass for class 2?
Class 1.
Class
Class 1, sir.
Class 1, sir.
Yeah. Then for class 4, then for class 4,
Class
Class
3.
1.
1.
yeah. Class 3 is a superclass for class 4. Am I correct?
Class 4.
For this is super. For this is super. For this is super. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood, right? No doubts up to this.
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Let me tell hierarchical also. I will explain all types. After that, I will show you practically. Hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance. Can anyone know this already? This is my class A, okay? This is class B, class C, class D, okay? Assume that like this. extends this, extends this. One parent having
More
Three
than child.
childs.
one or more child, not more child, okay? More than one child, okay? One parent having more than one child.
More than child.
Child.
Yeah, another this parent. For this parent, for A class, we have three children. This is hierarchical inheritance, okay? That's it, guys. And you told remaining two types also. Can anyone repeat this two remaining types?
Multiple
Give
and
chance for new
hybrid.
person.
Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance.
Multiple and hybrid.
Yeah.
Hybrid inheritance.
Yeah. Now I will skip that both two because multiple and hybrid inheritance is not possible by using classes, guys. Okay. But those two types are not possible by using classes because there will be a diamond problem. I will explain while I am teaching interface, okay? Remember that, guys. Those two types will be explained at the time of interface topic. Is it okay for you? If I explain here means you will get confused. It will take a whole day class. It's just waste of time. If I explain while teaching in interface means you will get in 5 minutes only, okay? It will take just 5 minutes. If I try to explain the topics now only, it will take half an hour to 45 minutes. Is it okay for you? I will explain at the time of interface. Don't worry, I won't skip it. I will definitely explain the topics, okay? Can I go for practical, guys, for these three types? Can I go for practical?
Yes, sir.
First one means,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
oops. See here, guys, already one is done yesterday only. Class A, class B. Class B extends class A. That means single level is completed, right? Single or simply completed. C here means class A, class B. Only two classes. One class is super class, one class is subclass. Now I will pick one person randomly. I will ask. Devaki Priya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me which is superclass, which is subclass here?
Class A is super class and class B is subclass, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now I will get one more class, guys. Okay, class C. Here I will extend class B. Okay. Each of these also have main method. See here, I am able to call M2 method, right? I am able to call M2 method. But actually, where is my M2 method, guys? Respond, guys.
In B class.
If it is
Class B, sir.
Class B.
B class, right? Yeah, that's it. Am I asking any rocket science here? It is simple, right? Class B. But I can able to call it in C class also. Now tell me, I will ask one more question for one random person. Amrita, are you there? No, okay. Leela, are you there? Leela. Leela also not responding.
Sir, I am there, sir.
Yeah, okay. Tell me which is superclass of class C. Which is superclass of class C?
Class B, sir.
Yeah. Then which is superclass for class B?
Yes, sir. Class C.
Okay. In this inheritance, which is the supermost class? Listen carefully.
Class A, sir.
In this, class A is the supermost class. Everyone got it, guys? What is the supermost class means?
Class
The
A.
class which is at the top
Class
of the inheritance. If you see here means the class which is at the top of the inheritance. This is called inheritance tree, guys. This whole we call as inheritance tree. The class which having at the top of the inheritance tree is called supermost class. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I will create one more. I will create one more class. Class name is D. For D extends A. D extends A. Again, I will create one more class. Class E. Class E also extends. I think somebody is in unmute. Please go on mute. Forget about class C and class D, guys. Okay. B, C, D. Forget about that. Not D. Forget about B and C. Okay. Don't remember B and C. Assume that I have only three classes called A, D, and E. Okay. Then tell me which type of inheritance it is. I'm showing it here.
Hierarchical.
Hierarchical
Yeah.
inheritance.
Because class D also extends A class, class E also extends A class. This is hierarchical inheritance, right? If I have main method in A class also, I can able to call M1 method. If I have main method in D class also, I can able to call M1 method. Because D is a child for A. E are also a child for A class. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, done. Yeah, done. Any doubts in these three topics? Three types?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Also,
All right. Now I will introduce one new topic for you. See here, guys. Okay. Up to now, you know that the topmost class in the hierarchical tree, in the inheritance tree, is the supermost class, right? Just now I have tell. In the inheritance tree, which is the topmost class, that will be the supermost class. Am I correct? Just now I have explained. Respond, guys. Just now I have explained, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
the inheritance tree,
Yes, sir.
class which is at the topmost will be the supermost class. But I will explain one new thing today. Did you hear about object class? Object class, guys.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It's a supermost class of all the classes in Java.
Yeah. Any other answer? Any other answer, guys? Any other answer? No. Okay. Okay. No response.
About it, sir.
They don't know. Yeah, that's good. Object class is the just I will tell theory part. After that, it is also class, guys. It is implicitly present. That is, it is already present in java.lan package. It is present in java.lan package. Okay. We need not to import this every time whenever we are writing a Java program. See here. Now I will create a class called test. The package. Oops. Here am I performing inheritance, guys? Up to your knowledge, tell me here am I performing any inheritance?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or is there any methods present in my test class?
No, sir.
Any methods?
No, sir.
All right.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just now, how many methods are there in my test class?
Main method, one method.
One method.
Only one
Main
method.
method.
But if you press control space means, see here. Okay. Otherwise, I will call. Okay. I will try to. I will try to call toString method. Okay. toString method. Okay. toString method will not work. It will not print. Okay. Let me. Let me don't print. I will explain another way. It will get confused. Okay. After all, there is no methods, right? Only main method is there, and there is no inheritance. Am I correct? Am I correct,
Yes,
guys? There is no inheritance also.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
But whenever you write a Java program, the Java developers think that every program must contain some properties. Class is a group of properties, right? Group of behaviors and data members. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Class is a set of behaviors, right? Behaviors.
Yes, sir.
Behaviors means methods. Methods. A class contains methods and variables. Java developers thought that every class must and should have these properties. What are those properties? Means equals method. Whenever you are comparing two objects, we use equals method, toString method,
Hash code method.
wait, hash code, toString, wait, notify. These are the methods. I will tell you what are the methods. What is the use of that method also I will explain you. In coming classes, we will use all these things, guys. Okay. Wait method, it will be used in multi-threading concept. Multi-threading concept, you will use wait method, notify method. toString method will be used whenever you are creating an object for the class. Okay. If I print directly test means don't worry. Let me delete this. Test t equal to new test. Here I am creating one object, guys. Okay. Whenever I print this object, I will get address, right?
Yes, sir.
I will get object address. Oops dot. See here, if I override toString method, okay. See here, guys. I am trying to override it. Whenever toString method override method in object class. Just saying that it is already in this class. You need to override it. Here I will print hi. See here, my output changed, right? Are you able to find it, guys? How it is changing? Those all things we will explain in detail. Whenever you are learning each and topic, I will explain. Okay. But just explaining. In previously, there is no methods in my class, but there is a toString method already. That's why I am overriding it. What is overriding? I will explain. Don't worry. Today onwards, today only I will explain what is overriding also. If I remove this method means, if I print object reference mean, I will get object address. You only know. Whenever I print an object, I will get object reference. Up to this, everyone clear, right? Don't get confused about two-string method. I will explain in detail. Respond, guys. 83 people are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I write two-string method means, if I override two-string method means, whatever the things you want to display, whenever you print an object, you can print it, okay? Hello, guys. I print means, I will get, hello, guys. Guys, go on mute, please, go on mute. Understood, guys? Use of two-string method. It is used to change the output of the object reference. Okay. It is used to change the object output. Okay. Is it okay, guys? Up to now, just keep in mind. In simple words, keep in mind. It is used to change the. Two-string method is used to change the output of object reference. Okay. Whenever I am printing object reference here. If there is no two-string method means it is printing object reference, right? If there is no two-string method in my class, it is printing object reference. How is it is printing means defaultly Java developers fixed that in two-string method. Whenever you printed a object reference, you need to print the address. They fixed it. Okay, guys. Who are developers of Java, they fixed that whenever you print an object reference, here T is my object reference. Whenever you print that, it should give address of the object. They have written code for that. Okay. Is it now clear? Understanding? Yeah. Done. Thumbs up symbol.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
But I want to change my implementation. Okay. I am a big developer. I don't want that bloody developers output. I want my own output. Okay. I want my own output. I don't want that output. I don't want default output. I want my own output means at the time you need to override it. Okay. You need to override it. Test class. Like this I will print. See here, test class object, it is printing. Understood? In practical, what is the use? You will see in future. Up to now, what is the use of it? I think it is clear, right? Understood, right? In every class, there will be some default methods with some implementation. If you want to change that implementation means you need to override it. Okay, guys? If you respond, I will move with
Yes, sir.
topic.
Okay, sir.
Now we are discussing about object class, right? Object class. Object class means, note the points, guys. You can take a note of it. Object class is the supermost class of every class. Okay. Every inheritance tree, because every class defaultly extends object class. Okay. Here if you see means I'm not extending any class here, right? For my test class I'm not performing any inheritance. See, guys, is there any inheritance here in my class?
No, sir. Sir.
No,
No, right? Let me ask you one question. If there is no constructor in my class, if I create a class without constructor, is there any constructor, guys, defaultly or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this
Default
class only, I am not
constructor.
writing. In this class only, I am not creating any constructor. Will a constructor is present in this or not? My question
Yes,
is,
present.
is there a constructor or not? Yeah.
Sir.
What it is called? What it is called?
Present.
Default
Compiler.
constructor.
Default constructor.
Default constructor. Compiler
Yeah.
default constructor.
Yeah. Default constructor, right? By which it is adding? By whom it is getting added to this class, guys? Who is adding
Compiler.
that?
Compiler.
JVM, right? JVM. JVM will add. Okay. Java JVM will add that, like that only. If there is no extents, if you are not performing any inheritance, JVM defaultly extends object class. Okay. Extends object. Defaultly it is there, guys, but it will be in hidden. As like default constructor is in hidden, this statement is also hidden. Understood, guys? Why it is means I have explained. The Java developers think that whatever the properties of object class have, this property should be having to all the classes. Like human being is the supermost class, guys. Okay, human being is the supermost class. In that human being, we are children, older people, younger people, gents, women's. Like this, lot of people are there. Every people have human being features, right? Every person have human being features. Am I correct? I'm asking you guys only. If you don't respond, it is not my problem. For your understanding only, we have shifted the platform also. Because in YouTube, you will get some delay. To overcome that only, we have provided this platform. But still you are not responding, means it is not my problem. Defaultly, Java extends object class to every class, okay? Defaultly, Java extends object class to every class, okay?
Okay,
If I
sir.
write extends,
Okay, sir.
extends B means here. No, here only B is extended, guys, okay? B is extended. But for B class, if I open B class means B class extends A class. A class extends nothing. Now tell me in this hierarchical tree, let me draw it. A class extended by B class. Next test class. Tell me which is the supermost class in this hierarchical tree, guys.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
B
Yes, sir.
extends B. For test,
B.
B is the superclass. For B extends
A.
A. For B, A is a
Yes,
superclass.
sir.
I told just now. Whenever there is no extends keyword, whenever there is no inheritance, Java defaultly adds extends object. Just now I have explained, right? If there is no inheritance, I am not performing any inheritance, then Java implicitly defaultly adds extends object. This will be added by Java. Now tell me which is the supermost class, guys.
Classes.
Object class.
Yes. Object
Object
class.
class.
Object class. Because there is a object class. He is the king of the Java, okay? Without object, you can't create any single class. Whatever the class you have created, you should have the properties of object class. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Object class is
Yes, sir.
supermost
Okay,
class.
sir.
It is a king of the Java. Like that, it is the king of the Java. Without this permission, you can't create a single class. You should have these properties. A class have object class properties. Now A class having which properties are present in A class, guys? What are the
Object class.
properties present in object class? Which are the properties present in B class, guys? Properties of B class.
A.
A class.
A class, sir.
Indirectly,
Class
A.
property.
A class and
Object class.
object class also, right?
Uh,
Object class and A class, both.
Object class.
Both the classes, right? For B class, it will contain A class properties and object class properties. Assume that grandfather, father and son, okay? You are the person, your father is A class and your father, object class, okay? Grandfather is object class. The qualities from grandfather came to your father, right? Land, assume that land.
Yes, sir.
Your grandfather has 10 acres, 10 acres land. It is given to your father. Then it is given to you, right? Now you contain what, guys? Your grandfather has 10 acres. Your father by own, with his own talent, he earned 20 acres again. 20 acres. For you, how many acres are there now?
30
30,
acres.
sir.
How? Your father is 20 and your father is already having
30
10.
acres.
10. Total 30 you are getting, right? Same like this for B class.
Yes, sir.
Properties of A class and properties of object class also you are getting. Okay? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
which is the supermost class in inheritance tree?
Object.
Object class.
Object class.
Object.
Whenever this question comes, supermost means just blindly tell object class is a supermost class. Okay? Now can you write points for object class, guys? Did I need to type it or can I dictate it, guys?
Declared it,
If you
sir.
want to type,
Dictated,
dictate it,
sir.
okay?
Dictated, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take first point. There is only 3 points. If you say yes means I will dictate. There is only 3 points. After that, I will tell what are
Yes,
the
sir.
methods present in object
sir.
class, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, first point. Object class is the supermost class of every inheritance tree. Inheritance tree means this is inheritance tree, guys, okay? This is inheritance tree, okay? Like this, you can say like this also. B class extends this class. Next, second point. When a class is created, when a Java class is created, when a Java class is created, without extends keyword, without extends keyword means there is no inheritance, guys, okay? Without extends keyword, then Java implicitly Java implicitly, guys. Implicitly means defaultly, okay? Implicit means default.
Sir.
Implicitly means default, okay? You can say it. Defaultly. Implicitly extends with object class. Next, third point, guys. Class which is created in Java. A class which is created in Java is directly or indirectly subclass to object class. Here the king is there. Yes.
So can you repeat the third point?
Yeah. Class which is created in Java a class which is created in Java is directly or indirectly subclass to object class. Can you justify this statement, guys? Can anyone justify this statement? How is it related?
Sir, since whichever class we are creating is already extending the object class, it will always be a subclass to object class, sir.
Yeah, that's it. See here. No, this is A class. Assume that A class. B. Let me change my color. If it is, it will look better. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. Okay, guys. A class extends object class, right? It extends this. B extends A.
Yes, sir.
That means B has properties of object class, right? If I have properties means definitely I will be a part of object class, right? I am a subclass
Yes, sir.
of that, right? I am a family of that.
Yes.
Now F also. F extends D. D extends B. Indirectly, F is also a family of object class, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like that, every class which is created in Java directly or indirectly subclass to object class. In this tree, only A class is directly related to object class, guys. Only A is directly related to object. Remaining all are indirectly related. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Now, I will type some methods here. Note down it. There are few methods present in object class, guys. Okay. There are 12 methods present in object class. I will write that methods. Please take a note of it. Okay. After that, I will tell some more points in inheritance topic. By that, we can close our inheritance topic. First one, guys. Okay, let me increase my font size. Public object. Okay, this is a method, guys. Is this a method or it is a constructor, guys? Tell me, is this a method or constructor?
Method.
Instructor.
How many will vote with method?
Me, sir.
How many are with constructor?
It's a constructor, sir.
Constructor, sir.
Is there any return type in this guys in this line?
No,
Is there
sir.
any return type?
No,
Then
sir.
how it will become a method?
Sir.
It is a constructor. It is a constructor, okay? As I said, every class will contain one constructor. As I already explained, right? Every class will contain one constructor. If we write constructor, we call it as if we write with parameters, we call it parametric constructor. If we write normal constructor, we call it general constructor. Without writing any constructor in a class, Java implicitly adds one constructor. That is default constructor. It is that. For object class, public object is the default constructor. Write second method, public boolean equals. Syntax is mandatory, guys. Whenever you need to write these methods, it should be the syntax, okay? Otherwise, it will take as new method. Public boolean equals public int hash code, okay? Public string to string. Just now we have seen example for this. Public void wait method, okay? Wait with arguments. Wait with tell me guys what we call it this three lines. Wait method is overloaded. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
We are writing same method with different arguments. Writing same method with different arguments is called method overloading, right? So you can say it as wait method is a overloaded method. Whenever interview asked, tell me overloaded method. You can say wait method. Notify method, guys, okay? Notify all. What is the use of these methods? You will get to know in single every topic, okay? In corresponding topics, you will get to know. Wait method will be used in wait method and notify method will be used in multi-threading concept. Next, public class get class, okay? This is also a method. Protected object clone. Protected object finalize. That's it, guys. These all are the methods present in object class. If you done means I will tell some more points. I will type it here only.
Done, sir.
Note, take this note, keep it a note and take this also. Yes, guys. To justify these methods, I will tell those two topics also. I'll just briefly tell the topics, the two types, okay? I have missed two types, right? If you remember or not, I missed two types. Am I correct? I will just draw the diagram. I won't explain in detail. I will just draw the diagram, okay? How it is possible, I will explain in the inheritance topic, interface topic, okay? See here, there is a class here. It is a class. There is a class B. Here, class C is there. Can I extend this like this? One child having two parent classes. One child having two parent classes, guys. It is called multiple inheritance, okay? One child having two parent classes.
Okay.
One or more, okay? There is D also. Why it is not possible, I will explain. Time is already 9:10. Time is already 9:10, okay? So, if possible, I will explain today only, okay? B class is a child class. It is a child class. We know that it is a child class because it is extending. But for this, there are three parent classes. Three parent classes. It will get confused, right? Java will get confused because it is not a human. First, it will say extends D. So it will assume that acquire properties from D class. So it will get properties from D class. After that, extends A also. Then A class properties. After that, extends D class also. So B class should contain three properties. At the time, it will get confused. Only I can able to handle one class. Why it is, I will tell you. Why our problem will get confused, I will tell you, okay? In the constructor topic, it will get confused. What the problem it will occur, what problem we call it, I will explain today itself. Will you give me 20 minutes of time? Is it okay? Up to
Yes.
9:40.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Before that, I will explain just one small topic, easy relationship, guys. In general words, I will move fastly. Please respond fast. I have other works today. Tell me what is easy, guys. Easy. In general English, easy means he is a human, she is a girl, he is a boy, he is a boy, she is
Confirmation.
a girl. Ramu is a Ramu is son of Krishna. Like this. Easy means it is telling that relation, right? It is giving relationship, right? He belongs to boy category. She belongs to girl category. Ramu is son of is relationship. He is son of Krishna. It is showing relationship, right? Is showing relationship in every statements. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? If you have any doubts, don't trust
No,
blindly.
sir.
If you have doubt, ask me. No doubt, right?
Yes.
If you have doubt, ask me. See here, is means it is telling relation, right? He belongs to boy category. She is a she girl. Is there any sentence like she girl? What it will give, guys? What is the meaning of this? If I keep is means, what is the meaning? she is a girl means what is the meaning? I'm separating her category, right? She belongs to girl family. Am I correct? I'm telling relationship, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding or not?
Yes.
Whenever I am writing is a means, it is telling that it is a
Yes, sir.
relationship. Relationship between these both, she and girl. Is he is a girl? Is he is a girl means I am asking is a. These both are related or not? It will say no, right? Is a. Till boy becomes a girl, belong to girl category. No, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
right? Yeah, like that only. Is a will tell relationship. In Java, there is a keyword called is a, guys. Okay, is a. To compare both. To perform inheritance, we will check is a relationship. Assume that. Let me tell person, student, person. Okay, teacher, tell me this relationship. Is it correct or not? This student is a person. Every student is a person. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Every teacher is also a person, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Student is a teacher. Now let me answer this question. Is this correct? Every student is a teacher.
No, sir.
No,
Yes,
right?
sir. No, sir.
No. This is no. This is yes. Same as guys. In Java, in programming language, S means true, right? In Java, S means true.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes,
means
sir.
Yes, sir.
no means no means
False.
False.
Yes,
False.
not true. False.
yeah. Is a relation means whenever we perform is a relationship. Now can I extend student with person? So here this is a person class, okay? Person class. Can I extend student with person? Student
Yes.
extends person.
Yes, sir.
Before performing inheritance, I will check is the relationship. If is the relationship is true, then I will perform inheritance. Why? Because now if I extend like this means teacher. Teacher extends students. Is every teacher is a student? Tell me guys. Teacher
No,
is
sir.
a
Every teacher.
student. Is this correct?
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Student is separate
No, sir.
category. Teacher is separate category. But teacher is a person, right? Every teacher is a person.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I need to like this, right? I need to write like this. Person, I am writing separately. Teacher. I need to write like this, right? This is the correct way.
Yes, sir.
Because every teacher is a person, every student is a person. Now you can say that person is the supermost class. Student and teacher is a child class. You can say in general words, you can say son. Son is a father. Is this okay? Because the qualities of father will be there in son. Son can able to do whatever the father will do, right? He can replace his father, right? Respond, guys.
Yes,
Will you
sir.
replace your father work?
Yes, sir.
Whenever your
Yes,
Yes,
father
sir.
is not at your home, you will replace your father work, right? Can father is a son?
No, sir.
If you are not there in your home, will father able to do your work?
No, sir.
Alright, like this only. We will check is the relationship. Whenever is the relation gives true, at that time we will perform inheritance. There is syntax for it. I will write it. See carefully. By this line, you will get 100% clear, right? Correct. Okay. Every subclass is a superclass. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Every subclass is a superclass
yes, sir.
because
Yes, sir.
whatever the properties present in superclass that will be inherited to subclass. But every subclass is
Subclass.
not a superclass, right? But every subclass is not a superclass because there may be chance of this is superclass, this is subclass. Every subclass is a superclass is a subclass because it is a there is a king object class. Am I correct? Is this statement satisfied, guys? Every subclass is a superclass,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
but this is subclass. Can it be superclass to any? There is any extent here? No, right? I can't say. If I write here one child class here, can it directly go here? Maybe or may not be. May belongs to subclass or may he may belongs to superclass directly. We can't say directly, right? Child is belongs to only subclass. Can we say directly, guys? Every class will belongs to only the superclass. Okay, we will get confused. I will write one more time. See here, one class is there, class A, class B. I will compare this both. If B should present qualities of A, then B will become, it will become subclass, it will become superclass. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Assume that there is a C also.
Yes.
C will present properties of A. That means it should not present B properties, right? It is directly related to superclass.
Yes, sir.
It is not
Yes,
related
sir.
to B class. This is a relationship. What is the keyword? Keyword we have is a relationship. It will give you that an idea which is superclass, which is subclass. To decide you which is superclass, which is subclass, it will help you. Okay. Whenever you have confusion to make superclass and subclass, this is a keyword will help you guys. Okay. You need to check relation. Every student is a person, but every person is not a student, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple example. I have two classes. One is student class, one is person class. Now I need to make inheritance in this. Tell me which is superclass, which is subclass. I have two classes. I need to perform inheritance in it. Can you directly tell me which is superclass, which is subclass?
Person is the superclass.
Person is superclass and student is
Student
subclass.
is the class.
How you are telling it? You are comparing, right? You are comparing relationship.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes.
every student is a person.
Yes.
But every person is a student. He may student, he may teacher, he may general worker,
Yes.
he may be a normal worker, right? By this user relationship, you will get to know student will become subclass, person will become superclass. That's it about user relationship, guys. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You guys already know this keyword, right?
Yes, sir.
5 minutes time.
Yes.
This keyword.
Yes.
Just tell me fastly. Tell me what is this keyword, guys? Use of this keyword. What is this keyword? This keyword and this call statement also explain you. Simply in 2 statements.
Present instance.
It is used to refer the current instance non-static members, right? This keyword is used to refer the current class non-static members or current instance non-static members. Am I correct?
Sir.
Yeah, right. This is A class. This is B class. I am performing inheritance here, guys. Okay. I'm performing inheritance here. Here, this keyword is there to refer this class members. Here also this keyword is there to refer this class members, right? Whenever I am performing inheritance means I need all these properties to here. I am bringing all the properties of A class to B class. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Inheritance means bringing properties from superclass to child class. That's it. One class to another class. If I want to access these methods, these non-static members, how can I able to call here? This keyword is only for calling current class, current instance. But I have to call A class members in B class. Are you getting my point? Are you getting, guys? Here
This call
there is a variable
statement, sir.
called int A. Okay. Here int B. In B class, I want the value of int A here. I want to use A value here. How to call it?
Using this call statement.
This call statement is for calling constructor, I think so. This call statement is for calling constructor, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, guys. Then how can we call? This call is for only calling constructor, right? Class 1, my class. Name is class 1, okay? In this class, I have some non-static values. Int A equal to 20. Now again, I will create one more class. Class 2. Extends class 1, okay? Now I have main method. I will create class 2 object, okay? Class 2 dot so I create object, I can able to call it, right? See here, I can able to call a value here. C dot A. If I create object, I can able to call it this. But I don't want to create object, guys, okay? There is a non-static method here. Void M2. What type of method it is, guys? Can you tell me what type of method it is? Public void M2. Is this a non-static method?
Non-static.
In non-static method, can I use directly non-static members? That means non-static variables. Without object reference, I can able to use it, right?
No, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Why can't int b equal to 30? Okay. This is a non-static member, right? Non-static variable. Here
Yes,
can I
sir.
use directly b? System.out.println b. I can able to call it, right?
Yes.
If I call a, will it come? To refer current superclass non-static members case, okay? Superclass non-static members. Super dot a. Super is a keyword. Let me take one more variable here. Int b equal to super dot a. Say super keyword, guys, okay? I will explain what is super. Like this keyword only, there is again one more keyword called super. The name itself says super means super keyword is used to access the superclass non-static members, okay? See here, guys, super. Are you following or not? Are you getting feeling bored? If you tell, sir, enough for today, I will continue this topic tomorrow. Otherwise, I will complete this. If I complete this means tomorrow we can start one new topic, guys, okay? Tomorrow we will start constructor chaining. I think you guys are feeling bored. You are
Okay,
getting
sir.
confused, right? I think you guys are getting confused. Okay. I will explain super keyword tomorrow, okay? Super keyword and constructor chaining. You guys already know constructor chaining, right? By using this keyword,
Yes, sir.
this call statement, you know constructor chaining. And you guys know that in every constructor, there will be a default call for one more constructor, right? This call statement. This call statement will be there, right? In every constructor. We will write it. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
But tomorrow you will get new thing, okay? There is no this call statement. If I write no constructor also,
Yes.
there will be super call statement. What is super call statement? What is super keyword? Tomorrow I will explain you, okay? Tomorrow our topic is
Okay, sir.
super keyword, constructor chaining using super
Constructor.
keyword. Okay? I will give points about constructor chaining, okay guys? There is some
Okay,
points
sir.
for constructor chaining. I think Ramana sir is not given notes for that. Am I correct? Did Ramana sir given notes for that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So tomorrow I will
No,
give
sir.
provide
No,
notes.
anyone give notes, sir.
Tomorrow I will provide notes for super call statement, this call statement, super keywords, this keyword. Okay, I will provide.
Sir, first part
Okay,
also
sir.
notes give.
Yeah, I will give this keyword notes, super keyword notes, and constructor chaining notes. Okay. Tomorrow our
Yes, sir.
topics.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Please
sir.
remember tomorrow. Okay. Remind
Yes,
me
sir.
tomorrow. Okay, about notes. I will give notes also
Okay.
because notes is very important for OOPS concept.
Types of
Sir, before
inheritance.
chapter also, can you give notes, sir?
For
Sir, before chapter, can you give notes, sir?
yeah, I will give. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
After this super notes completion of tomorrow, constructor chaining, super keyword and super call statement, we will move to overriding concept. Okay, overriding. Actually, overriding actually we have done right. I have overridden two-string method. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have overridden two-string method. What is overriding? I will explain tomorrow. Tomorrow our focus is on three
Okay, sir.
topics. One is nodes,
Okay, sir.
one is super keyword and constructor chaining. Another one is overriding. Tomorrow also using same link, guys. For from today onwards up to 13 days. 13 days same link, okay? Whenever there is a change in link, I will inform in the class, okay? I will inform in the class.
Okay, sir.
I will mail you that link.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Until you didn't get
Okay,
any new mail, same link will be
Okay.
considered for classes, okay? Don't think that today we didn't get any mail like that. Attendance also. I can get attendance by this app, okay, directly. How many times you have log in? How many times you have log out? What is the average time you have stayed in the class? How many times you have unmuted? Everything will be there, guys, with me. Everything
Okay,
will
sir.
be gated by this platform. Don't play with this. If you will log in for 1 second also, I will get that. And I will consider attendance only for, this is a session for 1.5 hours. You should stay minimum 45 minutes time, half of the time. If you are present for half of the time, at the time only attendance is considered. Otherwise, attendance is not considered.
First, I have joined in YouTube, sir. Then I have joined in this.
Okay, no problem. From tomorrow onwards, join directly here, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
YouTube is for your reference, guys. If you have any doubts, you can go and check it in YouTube, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye, good night, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Good
sir.
night.
Same
Bye,
time.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
If possible, from tomorrow onwards, we will take by 8 o'clock only. We will start by 8 and we will end by 9:30, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye bye, guys.
Bye, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, guys, those who have joined through YouTube, wait a minute. I will give you one classroom link, one link, attendance link. Fill it, okay? Fill it. If you fill today, you will get class link tomorrow, okay? Fill it now. Don't go away. I am sharing you a attendance link. Fill that immediately. Give me a second, guys. I am creating the attendance link. If you want to listen in same platform also, you can listen it. YouTube streaming will be continued every day, okay? You can see your attendance link is in your chat box. I will keep for just 5 minutes, guys, okay? After 5 minutes, I will close this link. After 5 minutes, I will close this link. Please fill it fastly. It is already time over. I got 6 responses. only 88 responses should be came, guys, because only 88% are there in the live streaming. Maximum is 93. Responses. $44. 54, 58. Once I get 88, I will stop the attendance link. If you want to listen in YouTube, you can listen in it, okay? You are thinking about data, not about interaction. I think everyone done. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow in Google Meet, okay? Go to meeting. You need still 8 responses, I think so. Everyone done means, can I close it? Can I close it? Yeah, please fill the attendance. You will get mail. You will get mail, okay? Done, guys. I am closing attendance link. That's all for today. Good night. Good night all. That's all for today, guys. Bye bye.